Hi, I'm Tyler from Beehive Science and Technology Academy, and my STEM for project is square bubbles. Bubbles form because of the surface tension of water. Hydrogen atoms in one water molecule want to cling to oxygen atoms in other water molecules. Bubbles are round because they want to enclose the most amount of air while using the least amount of soap and water. When I put the cube into the pot of soapy water, bubbles form on it and are stretched between the corners, forming a little square in the middle. When a bubble is dropped onto the square, it forms a cube-shaped bubble in the middle, using the surface tension of water.